Hey everyone, welcome to Share Trek. This is Raj here. Friends, I want to share a very personal update with you today. As many of you know from my last video, my dog Corrie recently had a medical emergency. The vets at the emergency have now found that she has a ruptured tumor in her stomach. They were able to stabilize her with a blood transfusion last night, but because of her existing heart condition, they had to do the transfusion slowly, and it seems that she cannot go under anesthetics because it will be higher risk with the heart murmur that she has. So we have opted out of any invasive diagnostic or potential curative treatment going forward because it involves either chemo or surgery, both of which will be very hard on this tiny dog, which is 13 years old and has been through a lot. Given this, we have made the difficult decision to bring her home this Monday for comfort care and to celebrate her life, and then help her pass peacefully, hopefully, on Wednesday at home, surrounded by those who love her. Our vet has been incredibly supportive through this, though they can't predict exactly how her condition might change in the coming days. I have to be on top of everything and make sure that she doesn't get excited, give her medications, and keep her company so that we can extend this incident free window until Wednesday. And on the evening of Wednesday, we plan to say our farewells. I want to sincerely thank everyone who has reached out with kind messages and support. It truly means the world to me during this time. I'll be taking a few days away to focus on Corrie, and I plan to be back making videos on Thursday. In the meantime, it would mean a lot if you could stay engaged with the channel while I'm away. Thank you once again for your kindness and understanding. I'll see you all on Thursday, hopefully for the live stream in the pre-market session. Bye for now.